You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is z equals 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all z terms on the left side of the equation. Add 4z to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the z. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is z equals 1.